Hi there, Rob Seabourne of Argo Yachting. We're here on the Saxdor stand today here at Boot Dusseldorf. And we're here aboard the Saxdor 400 GTS. But one of the questions I commonly get asked is what is the difference between the Saxdor 400 range, there's 3 boats now in the range. So we're going to start on the Saxdor 400 GTS. The GTS is a new boat that was launched at Cannes in 2025. This is a truly open walk-around style boat. So one of the key features of this boat is there is a smaller windscreen. We've now got a central driving position, an all-new sort of console. We've actually got air conditioning vents, so that will keep you cool whilst underway. So she's an asymmetric boat, so you walk up the port side to go to the bow. But also on the starboard side, you know, there's real, with ease, you can come up these steps. So if you're coming along to a fuel pontoon or coming into your berth, really easy to transition around the boat. You will note that on this boat, you can have a solid T-top roof for sun protection. This boat actually has the sunroof option, so this retracts or opens up. So if you want extra sunlight, you can, and with the push of a button, you can close it up to give you extra shade. Behind this row of seats, you can have 1 or 2 fridges, or you can have a fridge and an ice maker. And then we have this sort of wet bar area here. You know, we've got a sink. You can have a cooktop, storage here, and also these new rather cool lights that you just turn and up they come. So great for serving food. And then we come back. We have great seating, so you can sit and eat. We're sheltered still from the sun. So the table goes down, and then you can bring the mattress forward and turn this area into a huge sun pad. I believe we had 17 people sat on the sunbed during Cannes Boat Show. So a super sociable area, really. Then just walking back, we have the option to fit a griddle and a sink. And then under here, if we lift this cushion here, we have access to the optional second double cabin. If you don't select this as a cabin, this is what's called toy storage, so you can just have that for exactly that, storing water toys or drinks or suitcases or whatever you choose. But that's a large area there, but there is the option to turn it into another cabin. So we now move across to the second boat in the range, the Saxdor 400 GTO. This is, well, all the Saxdor 400s run the same hull, but they've got different deck layouts. The 400 GTO has a larger T-top roof with an opening sunroof above the helm here. But the key difference here, we have a screen that is the full beam of the boat with this door that we close. So we have a bit more shelter than the Saxdor 400 GTS, but also we have a different layout as well. So, you know, this is utilizing the full beam of the boat. When the terrace doors are down, you know, you're able to have these seat backs open, and then you shut them up when you want to close the terrace. Which leads me on to this situation here. This is the access to the aft cabin, so it's slightly different to the 400 GTS. You have these steps down into a slightly larger rear cabin or toy storage. And then rearrange the cushion. You'll see, you know, we've got a super seating area there for, you know, 10, 12 people around the table. The table will go down, and if you choose to, there's an infill cushion that goes on the top to create like a saloon bed here. This, although it's a 400 GTO, this boat has been selected with an aft glass wall. That is an option, it's not mandatory. So if you don't select this, then you obviously don't have the glass door, but you don't have this structural frame, and it makes this, this rear sun pad slightly larger. Whether you have the aft glass wall or not, the sun pad can be made larger just by pulling this lever, and then the headrest goes down. So fold it up and put it back, giving you easier access around the cockpit. The 400 GTO is, I would say, in the middle as it's positioned here. So fully open walk around boat, an open boat but with a fixed screen for more shelter. And then we're going to move over to the Saxdor 400 GTC. The C in this boat and that boat stands for cabin. The key difference of this boat over the 400 GTO that we've just been on is this boat has these side windows, which allows us to close the boat up. This is still a great boat for the Mediterranean because we can get it open, but we can also get it closed. So it just allows us to elongate our season a bit longer. If you just come on in, we will show you how this works. So we just close the side door, just release the clip on the aft glass wall, press the button, and down it comes. I'm not going to do it all the way, but it will just close up. And what that does, it completely seals the wheelhouse. You can either heat it or you can air condition it. And aside from that, really, everything forwards is exactly the same as a Saxdor 400 GTO. So there we have it, the Saxdor 400 range. On the far end, we have the Saxdor 400 GTS, a truly open boat, great boat for Mediterranean climates. We have the Saxdor 400 GTO, still a very open boat, but with a more enclosed screen, so a bit more shelter and slightly different seating. And over here, we have a Saxdor 400 GTC, which has the option to be fully enclosed or fully open. So we've got a boat here that's also good for the North Baltic coast and everything in between.